Hello dear students, let us solve a multiple choice question related to simple pendulum. The question is, a simple pendulum has a hollow metallic bulb. It has time period t when the bulb is empty. Time period is t1 when the bulb is completely filled with mercury, and the time period is t2 when the bulb is half filled with mercury, as shown in figure. The correct option is, these are the four correct options. Here, this is a hollow metallic bulb, which is in case 1 empty, its center of gravity will be at the center of hollow sphere, and therefore effective length will be from point of suspension to the center of gravity of bulb, means this length will be L. In case 2, when the bulb is completely filled with mercury, then also the center of gravity will remain at the center of the bulb. Therefore, L1 will be also equal to L. But when the bulb is half filled with mercury, then the center of gravity will be lowered. Means initially center of gravity will be at this point, and after half filling the bulb with mercury, center of gravity lowers to this point, which increases the effective length L2, which is more than L1 and L. So, in cases 1 and 2, time period will be equal to t is equal to t1 is equal to 2 pi under root L by g. Whereas in third case, time period will be t2 is equal to 2 pi under root L2 upon g. Thus, t2 will be greater than t1 and t. Thus, the correct option will be t is equal to t1, which is less than t2. So, the correct option is B.